everyone, I am Kuturuz Mili. What if I told you you could reverse almost any disease, not with expensive medicines, but simply by changing what's on your plate? Sound impossible, right? I thought so too, until I saw it happen to me and thousands of others as well. I'm requesting you, please watch me till end. Okay, first of all, I'll break the myth. We have thought that medicine cure disease, right? But think about it. Medicine may suppress symptoms, but who's repairing your body? Your body itself, and the fuel you give it decides whether it can heal or get sicker. Okay, I'll tell you in a detail. First of all, I'll tell my experience, right? 3 months, that's all it took for me to reverse my health problem without a single pill. I followed a simple, natural based eating plan my guru shared with me. Since then, I have shared it with thousand of people, and whoever follows it 100% sees life changing result as well. Yes. Okay, I'll tell you one thing, but there is a twist. Even the healthiest food won't work if your body is full of undigested waste or dirty symptoms, or system is like a blocked sink. No matter how pure the water is, it won't flow. Step one is always clean the body from inside. I'll tell you how. I'll tell you four golden rules. Before I tell you what to eat, you must understand four rules of natural food, right? First, eat living food. If it's been bottled, canned, frozen, or processed, it dead already. Living food like fruits, vegetables, sprouts, nuts, and seeds are packed with prana, life energy. Dead food is drain it. Trust me. The second, if I tell you, eat wholesome food. Natural doesn't make mistake. Eat the food as she gives it. Brown rice, whole wheat, dates, whole coconut, not the fermented, polished, sugary. It's not good, or made in a factory. It's not good for your health. Third, I will tell you, eat plant based. No meat, no fish, no egg, no dairy. Instead, using coconut milk, rich, digestible, and deeply nourishing. It's really going to help you. Fourth, if I'll tell you, eat water rich food. Your body is 70% of water, right? So at least 70% of your diet should be food with high water content. Juicy fruit, vegetables, and greens is really give you a good healthy body. The daily plan, if I'll share you, 5 meal healing plan which I followed. Morning, start morning at 9. Detox juice, ash ground juices over there, coconut water if available. Cleanse your body like a magnet for toxin. Breakfast should be at least 11 a.m. A large bowl of seasonal fruit. Only one type fruit is best, but 2 or 3 is fine if your body is bored. Lunch should be 2 a.m. 1 grain meal. Special vegetable chapati, 50% wheat and 50% of grated vegetable. Oil free should be, and if you want, you can use coconut. Mid meal supposed to be 5 p.m. Juice, coconut water, or herbal tea. No biscuit, no fried snacks, please. Dinner should be at 7 p.m. Raw salad, light soup, no grains. You will feel light and wake up feeling fresh as well. Try this, it's really going to help. This is something not diet. It's not until you lose weight or until you feel better. It's a lifestyle, I can say. The way humans were designed to eat, this is a very accurate percentage. And when you live like this, now your body become a self-healing machine. Diseases disappear from the root, and you wake up every morning feeling light, clear, and alive. Trust me, it's really a miracle. The human body is the almost and the most precious gift you have been given. Don't spend your life wishing you felt better. Experience it. Nature has always known the cure, but we just need to return to her. This I followed. I also make you very comfortable. If you have any question, any query related this, please drop a message. I'll try to attempt that question. Thank you for watching me. Bye bye. Take care.